Hi. From my last videos, you know that I'm going to start my course on 26th January 2023. Now, if that is the case, then always there will be a question that which course I'm going to start, on which day I'm going to start, at what time I'm going to start. All these questions are always coming to your mind. Along with that, what will be the fees you are going to take? So if we want to know all these things, let us go through this slide where I have explained everything. So now, as I said, already I announced my course, and it is, we know that always the first step is the hardest one, because some of you, maybe I am the new, and depending on that, to take admission in my course will be will be a difficult part for you. Maybe, I don't know, but if you will uh, take admission, then you will know that your first step is at the right track. So depending on that, let me announce in which form I'm going to take the classes. We are going to conduct the classes in two modes. One is on weekdays, that is Monday to Friday, and another one is for weekend, because most of the time weekend we are getting free. Sometimes we have to do other work. Depending on that, we are planning to conduct our classes weekdays as well as on weekend. Now, if that is the case, then how I am going to take my course? My pattern of teaching or my pattern of course is in two forms. One is modular, and the second one is your complete. Then what is the meaning of that? Suppose I'm going to start a course. This course is divided into number of modules. So you have to join in one module or by using some amount, and after that you have to join the second module by paying some other amount depending on the requirement. Otherwise, you can directly join the course where we will complete the course from start to end. But for the time being, we are going with our modular course. Now, which course I want to start for the time being? So I want to start the course of C programming. Now you can ask me a question, why C programming? I just want to give you a simple example. Though there are number of vehicles present in this society, still cycle is there. Similarly, though number of programming languages are in the market, still C is always evergreen. Depending on that concept, I'm using my C programming as the first part. So this C programming is divided into number of modules as I have written. One is introduction, selection statement, looping statement, function, array, string, etc. Along with that, what I have written in brackets. Suppose I will go for introduction, then the course, whatever we will go for introduction, is for 3 days. And in that 3 days, we are going to solve minimum of 20 numbers. Similarly, if you will go for looping statement, then we will conduct that looping statement for 5 days, and within that 5 days we will solve more than 30 numbers. So 30 is minimum, maybe more than that. So like that, we will conduct our classes. So this C programming is divided into number of units, whatever I have placed here. So now the question is, can I join any course, any module at any time? The answer is yes. But you must have some previous knowledge depending on the topics, whatever I have designed. So now, depending on that requirement, we are going to conduct the classes one by one module. And for the time being, I'm going to start the C programming foundation or basics. So in that program, you will know that how to write a program. And as I said, we are going to start our weekend batches. Then on which date I'm going to start and what are the courses we are going to start. If you want to know, then please watch or wait the video for 15th January, because on 15th January, I'm going to upload the video, whatever I'm coming with my weekend courses. Now, if you feel that you have to go and join the course, then always you need a link. So we have a Google form So go to that Google form and fill up the data whatever we have. So in this Google form, you have to fill up your name, your gender, your contact number, your email ID, and remember, you have to pay the amount. The basic amount of the 3 days course is for 200, and in that 200, if you will go for any choice, then you have the option. So you have three choices. One is from 11 to 16th. That means you will get a 50% off. Then why off? The reason is it is the starting part, and that's why we are giving the early bird offer. So that's why if you will join this within this date 11 to 16, you will get 50%. If you will pay after 16th, that means 17 to 20, you will get 30% off. On 23 and 24, you will get 10% off. So depending on that, you have to pay the amount. So now the question is where you have to pay. So you can use my phone number or my UPI ID to pay the exact amount depending on the date. After that, you have to pay or you have to provide your transaction ID. So the transaction ID, whatever you have used for this payment, that you have to mention. So depending on your transaction ID, your email and contact number, we will provide you a mail, and you will get the process of conducting the classes. So as I said, the classes will be from 9 p.m. to 11 p.m., 2 hours. Along with that, 1 hour extra to take your doubts. So within this 9 to 11 also, we are going to conduct your doubts, if any, but I don't think that there will be some doubts you will have, because we will use such a process where you will get less amount of doubts. So depending on that, I wish you all a good career ahead. And depending on that, I just want to stop and hope we will meet very soon, depending on your enrollment. Thank you. Keep learning, keep earning with code. Thank you.